Welcome to Project Travel, and our top recommended Florida Keys vacation stays. Project Travel is the modern travel agent. As always, we strive to show you a healthy mix of places to stay, from inexpensive and boutique, to amenitized architectural marvels that will command a high nightly rate. Starting with our cheaper option on the list, we begin with number 5. Up next is number 4, a beautiful boutique hotel at a mid-tier price. Finally, we move into the more expensive and higher-end options, complete with numerous amenities and stellar locations. To kick it off, we begin at number 3. The next property almost landed at number 1, and it will certainly put a dent in your wallet. Here's number 2. And finally, we land at our number 1 recommended stay, and also one of the most expensive options on our list. If you're looking for an unforgettable trip, with all the bells and whistles, look no further than number 1. This concludes Project Travel's top 5 vacation stays. Here is a full recap of the properties we covered. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.